Hi guys, thanks for clicking the video. So we're back with the build of 23 and carrying on with sorting out the body blank, getting it ready to glue together. And yeah, this year we're supporting Musicians Without Borders as part of the build. Yeah, Crimson have organised half a dozen charities that people can support as part of the build, and yeah, I'm going for Musicians Without Borders. So what I'm doing here is I'm sorting out any high spots from the glue and also in the wood itself. So I'm using a variety of different tools, the random orbital just to get the majority of it, and then fine tuning that with the scrapers, and then the leveling beam is, I'm finding places where there are, tiny high points or whatever, and I'm using the leveling beam to even everything out. Now, if you haven't got scrapers, I really recommend getting yourself some, and it's not difficult learning how to keep them sharp, but they are an excellent tool for surfacing something like this. They leave a really nice finish behind them. They're quite easy to use, and as I said, you just need to be able to get a burr on the edge, and you can take everything from full shavings to a fine dust. So I'm using my fingertips there because you'll feel much more than you'll ever see. Where you've got any slight imperfections or unevenness in the surface. So just gently rub your fingers tips back and forth across, and you'll soon feel where you need to work at. Now, that sapele is starting to look really nice, but now we're changing over to the roasted flame maple. I've had this piece for a while. I got it from Alpha Woodworks. Got to know Chris and the guys from meeting them at guitar shows, and they're really good guys. And I've had several sets of wood off them, and it's always been absolutely first class. So you'll see them on Instagram, Facebook, etc. Just search Alpha Instruments, you'll soon find them. The basses they make are absolutely stunning. So again, just using various tools. Start off by removing the glue line. When he figures out that if you don't put an extra clamp on, there you go. Yeah, no, it's not going to move. So I'm using the scraper just to get rid of the excess glue line, just to make it easier to level everything out. And then, same as before, going over it with the random orbital, and then it will be more scrapers, some leveling beam, and yeah, you start bringing out the grain and the figure, especially with the scrapers. It's one of the things that they're really good for. One thing I've found with them that helps them work is don't go in straight lines, straight up and down the piece. Go across and sweep it, and you'll catch the imperfections better that way. And after all that, we can have a look and see what it'll be like under some finish. But yeah, that flame is insane, absolutely insane. Goes that really lovely caramel colour, and it smells incredible when you're working it. Do I stay in a burst around the edges or no? What do you think? Let me know in the comments. So that's it for today, guys. Hit like, subscribe, etc. Because it all adds up and it all helps, and I really appreciate your time and support. So yeah, next video will be up soon. We'll be getting this glued together and we'll get the shape cut out. So, and I'll see you soon. Cheers.